What's going on YouTube? Desmond here with Flip Finder Network, and today I'm doing a little bit of product sourcing for my Amazon online arbitrage business. So I figure I would just pop the camera on and kind of give you a look into how to find profitable products. You can see here I'm on the Bath and Body Works website, and they're actually having a really big sale today. They're $3.50 on all their hand and bar soaps, $10.50 on the refills. This can make for a really good opportunity to buy products to sell on Amazon for profit. And it's really not as hard as you think. You just got to have a couple tools and you got to learn how to source these sales. Manual sourcing is going to be your highest ROI task sourcing wise. So, first thing I'm going to do here is pop open my Keepa. Uh, and come into the product finder. If you don't already have Keepa, you're going to want to sign up. I'll put the link in the description. Keepa Product Finder is the most powerful tool you can use for Amazon product research. And there are no exceptions. There's not another tool that does it cheaper. Keepa is your only option here. So pop open Keepa. First thing I'm going to do here is filter by brand. Type in Bath and Body Works. You can see we got about 20,000 results, obviously way too many to go through. So another thing I'm going to do here is let's stick a buy box filter minimum of 20 on here. And the last thing I'm going to do is, because our sale is on the hand soaps, I am going to come into the title text field here and I'm just going to put in soap. And let's see, we might have to, let's put hand soap here. Okay, yeah, 436 results. Still a little bit of a large list, but let's pop this open and just see if we can find a few profitable products. And the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start scrolling through these, and this is kind of a skill that you acquire over time, but I'm looking at these Keepa charts and you can't see them because I'm in the way. So let me move myself over here. So in the bottom right hand of my screen, when I scroll through all of these, you're going to see the Keepa charts pop up. And I'm looking for Keepa charts with some movement, right? So just a good example, these top two here, I can see the rank, which is that green line, is really kind of trending up, which is not what I'm looking for. But more importantly, on this one, the buy box line, which is that pink line, is a flat line. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that this product is not selling. It just means that there's not many people going through the buy box most of the time. So that's not really stuff I'm looking for. I'll try to find a good example. Like, here's a really good example of what I'm looking for when I'm quickly scrolling through these product charts. Is this one, I can see that buy box line is steady moving. That tells me that there's multiple people rotating through this buy box. So it's definitely making some sales. So let's pop this one open here on Amazon and see if we can find this profitably. And I can almost guarantee you right off the bat here it's going to be profitable. We've got a 2-pack here for $21.85. And as we saw on the Bath and Body Works website, we're getting these for $3.50 a pop. So we'll be $7 into two. So already we're looking at a $4 profit, 58% ROI. Keepa chart looks really good. So now we've got to make sure we can find this in stock at Bath and Body Works. So easiest way I found is just Google search it. You can come in here and type in that fragrance and sometimes find it. Typically I found it be a lot easier just Googling it. And you can see here, it looks like we do have it in stock for shipping. $3.50 today only, and this is a really good example. This sale only lasts one day, and today's a Saturday, so if you're taking your weekends off, you're probably missing out on a lot of opportunities to buy products at a really deep discount. You can see this retails at $7.95, so 6 days a week. This is $7.95, and today is $3.50, and today's the only opportunity you have to buy this product at this price. So don't skip your weekends. Do some sourcing on the weekends as well. So we're in stock here, definitely profitable. Again, Keepa chart looks pretty solid. Price is trending up. Our offers are trending down. Really good flip right off the bat. And that's really all there is to it, and rinse and repeat. And now we're just going to scroll through a couple of more of these. We can see a lot of these are buy boxing in the mid 20s. So as long as they're in stock, all of this stuff's going to be profitable, and we just have to link it back, and I mean that's really all there is to it. It's not hard stuff to do. Now, 1979 here, not quite as good if we're looking at $7. 1979. So something like this, we can see it's only a $2 profit here with 28% ROI, but we can do something else to kind of bring our buy costs down. And I talk about this all the time in my videos, but if you're not using discounted gift cards currently, you're really leaving a lot of profit on the table. So cardbear.com is the best place to go. Type in Bath and Body Works. We can see we're getting somewhere between 10 and almost 20% discount here just by buying a gift card. And I'm not familiar with all of these places, so do your research, make sure the place is legit. I'm sure they are. I've used Card Depot, I've used GCX, gift card outlets, Card Cash, Card Cookie. Haven't used this gift card saving, but I mean 20% discount. So even if we're just going by the 10 here, we can make our products a lot more profitable. So that's a really good way to really help those products like this that are okay, incredibly stable buy box here. Offers are coming and going. It's definitely selling, but it's not quite profitable enough. Gift card that down. If we take another 15% off here, now we're making $3 and 50% on a really easy bundle. So there's tons of ways that you can kind of bake in your profit, so to speak. So back to the product finder. I'm gonna do a couple more of these, and I'll make this a super short and sweet video because the opportunity is just endless. I mean, I've got 436 results here, most of which are probably going to be profitable. We just have to make sure that these products are in stock. So I'll take a look at let's look this last one up because we didn't make sure it was in stock. So Google search here. Looks like they're probably going to have it. Peach and Bellini. This is something you're going to run into a lot, especially with Bath and Body Works, is they go through a lot of packaging changes. I personally don't mind that as long as the scent is the same, and I haven't had any issues with customers saying this is a different product, but your discretion. As long as it's the same scent and the packaging change, that's pretty common in the retail world for companies to go through package changes. So I haven't had any issues, but again, that's your discretion there. So in stock here with our gift card, $3 profit, 50% ROI. It's definitely selling. You come over here to data and offers in our Keepa tab and just verify that people's stock is moving. And rinse and repeat, that's really all there is to it. It's not complicated stuff. So yeah, we can see not a ton of sales here, but multiple people making sales. So definitely a good product. Test it. Buy five units, test it, send it in, see how it does. If it sells well, next time the sale comes along, you buy 10 or buy 20. Start really small and figure out what works, and then double down on that. It's really simple business. There's not a lot to it. So keep a product finder. Source these sales. Don't skip your weekends because a lot of stuff happens on the weekends. So pretty easy here, and it's just rinse and repeat. The next thing we could do, maybe if you'd like, you can come in and do some reverse sourcing. So we're basically piggybacking off of some of these other people that have already bought this product and sold it. So if we pop open some of these storefronts, we can see this guy's got 31 Bath and Body Works products. So chances are, obviously all of those were probably profitable when he bought them. So we just have to go through these and see what's profitable now. Another really good way to find products. Basically let somebody else do the hard work for you. And this is RevSeller. I don't think I've talked about this much on YouTube, but really good calculator, profit calculator. I really like RevSeller over some of the other competitors because you can see merchant fulfill and FBA profits side by side. So instead of having to flick a switch and go between the two, you can see the numbers side by side. It automatically calculates your shipping and gives you shipping estimates as well. So really good. If you don't have RevSeller, it's a really good addition to the stack, and it makes reverse sourcing like this really easy too, where you can open a storefront. We can see the Keepa charts here. We can see the product. and we can see what our max cost is. So some of these probably not going to be profitable right now. It looks like some of this stuff's tanked a little bit. But I will put the link to RevSeller in the description as well. I believe they have a 2-week free trial. It's some kind of free trial. So sign up. You're really going to like it. And bonus thing here is RevSeller is a lot cheaper than some of the competition. It's only 99 bucks a year. So less than 10 bucks a month. You're getting a really good tool. Definitely recommend it. You can do everything all the other tools can do. You can link it to your Google Sheets. I've already got mine linked up. So really good, cheap tool to make your life super easy. So nice and easy here. I'm going to keep this one super short and sweet. If you want to learn more about how to find products profitably like this, check out our website. I'll put the link in the description. It's flipfindernetwork.com. If you're not already in our Discord channel, you're going to want to join that as well. We already got a lot of members over there, and I appreciate everybody who's already joined. We're putting a lot of stuff over there that doesn't make it to YouTube. So kind of getting some VIP access to some videos and things. I'm also posting leads every day. I'm posting a lead every day that's profitable that you can buy right now and flip on Amazon for profit. So check that out, and we will see you on the next one.